If you want to be happy in a million ways for the holidays, you can't beat Home Sweet Home because home is where you hang the heart.
Hello everyone, welcome back to DesignCafe Homes with me Ananya Jois, your interior architect. Today I'm here in one such unique DesignCafe home done for a young couple, Rahul Verma, Sataroopa and their son Hridansh. The couple, being IT professionals, they were clear that they wanted a no-fuss experience and a home that felt like home. Let's see how this has turned out, but before that, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to not miss an update. As soon as we enter inside the home, on the right side, we have a shoe rack with a seater along with a very lovely metal mural and a Buddha inviting us inside. The wall texture is done in concrete finish, but the real highlight of this foyer area is definitely the partition on this side, which is beautiful and useful. Now this small partition cum display unit hides away all of the chaos happening there, and it only gives us a view of the rest of the living room. Moving on to the living room, this is done in an elegant color scheme of muted greys, beige and pops of mustard for the cushions on the sofa, the texture paint on the wall and also the floor to ceiling curtains. On this side, the TV unit has some display racks for all of their artifacts, some open units for the speaker, set-top box and more, and also a full-fledged bookshelf for their large collection of books that they still not got from Kolkata. A home is truly complete only when we add decor elements, and the sleek clock or the gold planter here are the little additions that are making this house look all the more prettier than it is. A stunning Marbletop dining table with comfortable leather chairs, wall plates and a gold mirror adorning this marble finish texture paint wall, a fully loaded crockery unit along with a puja unit in contemporary style. All of this and more is making this dining look just as classy as the rest of the home. But the most highlighting feature of this entire space is definitely the chandelier, which is a fan cum chandelier that is adorning the space. Since this is an open plan, the living foyer is also matching the dining and it's all done in the same theme. The yellow on this is continued on the kitchen on this side. Sataroopa loves to cook, so this bright and beautiful kitchen with her vision come to life. Now here's a fun fact, she also has her own YouTube channel for cooking, so I wasn't kidding when I said she takes her cooking quite seriously. She wasn't just particular about how pretty it looked, but also for it to be functionally useful. This parallel layout has been divided into two sides. This side is the cooking side, and here instead of giving loft, they've given slightly taller wall units so that it doesn't look very bulky. We've also given open units along with glass shutter units. This is great when we want to store daily essentials like coffee, sugar and more. For this side of the kitchen, which is the appliance corner or the dry corner, we have a tall unit with built-in oven and microwave. Something really cool is that this isn't really a filler, but in fact a push-to-open drawer where you can store your baking items, tools and more. For the entire kitchen, we have granite countertop and G-profile handles that makes any kitchen look seamless and modern. Hit like if you think the pop of color in this kitchen is such a mood. The most important room in every home is the master bedroom. Over here, we've done a cool Chinese color concept of white and red. This room is inviting and unique. On this wall, we have a large wardrobe, clearly differentiating his and her. Now, if you want to know more about wardrobes, you can watch our wardrobe guide. The link is right here. Continuing on this side, we have a TV display unit where they can display all their artifacts and also a little bit of storage below this. On the extreme corner of this wall, we have a dresser unit with lots of concealed storage and also an ottoman seater at the bottom. On the other side of the wall, we have this metallic texture paint, which is possibly my most favorite sort of texture paint that I have seen because it almost looks like a wallpaper. And on either side, we have glass cut pendant lights, all of it in the same color scheme. But most importantly, what is adding luxury to this room is definitely these curtains that are hanging all the way from the ceiling, along with some sheer. This blue haven belongs to their son, Hridansh, and this particular bedroom is probably the most practical yet childlike bedroom that I have seen so far. Now our designer Ayushi will tell us a lot more about how she came about the design for this room.
So me, Rahul and Sataroopa has a good discussion here that for the kids room we don't want to go with any cartoon theme or a kids looking room here which will outgrow in coming years. But they were very clear that they need a lot of storage for their books, for his toys and for his clothes and everything. So we have a complete wall of furniture here with wardrobe, a tall unit where he can keep his toys and books, and a dresser here. So when I first met Rahul, so Hridansh was more into dinosaurs and animals, but during the installation phase he moved to superheroes. So I've created a corner where he can keep changing as per his interest and his liking. So this is a toy shelf here. So I'm sure once he wakes up every morning, this will bring a smile to his face.
Design hack of the day. Play with color therapy to bring in the feel of a boy's or a girl's bedroom to any space without adding any kid-friendly wallpaper or cartoon. Now in this bedroom, they've added just blue for the walls, wardrobe, etc. and still it feels like a superhero themed bedroom. Since the family is originally from Kolkata, their parents also visit quite often and stay for a couple of weeks. So this guest bedroom is also for their parents. A neat, tidy little laminate wardrobe along with a large mirror, a queen-size bed with a bedside table, and very simple and elegant false ceiling, and this bedroom is complete. This room is a great takeaway for simple bedroom ideas for any guest bedroom. Love how elegant this home has turned out. If you enjoyed this home tour, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also let us know in the comment section below which was your most favorite part of this entire home. If you're looking for interiors, you can always click on the link in the description box below for a free design consultation from our expert interior designers. Until next time, take care. See you all.